all this was this week. I was ripping apart everything as we were going. So I was riding in the truck, getting the call, and then writing down in the middle as we're driving. And then that was about 60 papers, and now I've narrowed it down to just these. For one, thanks for the teamwork, guys. Fucking Tyrell actually was proactive and called us to troubleshoot every one of his jobs instead of using it as an opportunity to find a reason not to get the job done. He didn't know how to do stops, but he called to walk himself through the whole process, and these guys video chatted and got him the right stuff, so I thought that was dope. And today, Chris and Tyrell are going to go troubleshoot. A little round of applause.
Yeah, Tyrell, get it done.
Tyrell's no longer a helper. So another video opportunity, some guy last week messaged me for mirrors, and he's had the opportunity to work with other places since then, and he's waited for us because he's like, I just really want to work with y'all. I want to work with y'all. I see the reviews. Our videographer, content producer is probably going to pair with him. Would you mind doing like a video testimonial of your entire experience with us? He's like, hell yeah. So y'all are going to install 4 gym mirrors. You can get that footage.
I live in Austin. I found Ames online looking for gym mirrors, and I have to say the experience was 5 out of 5 stars. Great job. Would definitely recommend them to anybody.